A granary contained 15 quintals of wheat. Out of these, 255.2 kg was stored in another granary. The remaining wheat was distributed equally among 16 ration shops. What weight of wheat was given to each ration shop? Now first of all, 15 quintals. See, 15 quintals total weight is there. 15 quintals means how many kg? In one quintal how many kgs are there? 100. So 15 quintals means how much? 1500 kg. Correct? Now, out of this 255.2 kg was stored in another granary. That means from 1500 255.2 means here this many kg wheat was stored in another granary. So we have to subtract from 1500 this quantity. Now see here 10. Then here 9, here 10. Again 9, 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. And this. Okay. Now what is the this? How much wheat is remained now? 1244.8 kg is there. This remaining wheat was distributed among 16 ration shops. That means this remaining wheat we have to divide by 16 so that each ration shop will get how much quantity that we can find out. Okay. So now see here 16 in 16 7. Now can we divide this 2-digit number only? 12? We can't because 12 is less. So take 3 digit. Okay. 16 7 the 1 by 2. Take 4 down. Again 16 7 the 1 1 2. Now 8 take down. But 8 is after decimal, so here put decimal. Then 16 8s are 128. So, what weight of wheat was given to each ration shop? Each ration shop will get 77.8 kg. Answer, final answer. Each ration shop was given or each ration shop will get 77.8 kg of wheat. Understood? See here, a granary contains 15 quintals. Now 15 quintals I converted into kg, that is 1500 kg. Out of 1500, 255.2 was stored in another. They removed this much quantity and they stored that wheat in another granary. And now the remaining means after subtraction what we will get? This. So this remaining wheat was distributed among 16 ration shop. That means how much quantity each ration shop will get? That we will get by division. So this divided by 16, you will get 77.8 kg of wheat. Okay. Question number 7. During the scientific research, 2703.88 gram of a powdered chemical was put equally in 23 test tubes. How many grams of chemical was put into each test tube? That we have to find out. Again, from many we have to find out the value of 1. In one test tube, how much powder will be there, that we have to find out. So, here students, we have to divide this total weight of powder by 23 because total how many test tubes are there? 23. So, now look at these 2 digits, 27. It is greater than 23. So, we will divide this by 23. 23 ones are 23. 7 minus 3, take 0 Now which number is close to 128 in 23's table? That is 115. So 23 5s are 115. 8 minus 5, 3. 2 minus this, 0. And take this 8 down. Now 23 6 are 138. Okay. So how many grams of chemical was put into each test tube? This many grams. So final answer we have to write in statement. 117.56 gram of chemical was put into each test tube. Okay. Now last word problem. A granary. Again see the granary word is there. Children, do you know the meaning of granary? Granary means a storehouse, go down type. Okay. A granary had 925.752 quintals of rice. Out of these, 411.615 quintal was consumed, means used up, and 12.226 quintal was donated. So how many quintals of rice is left in the granary now? Means what we have to do? First of all, this total quantity we have to write. Okay. From this much quantity is consumed, used up. So that means we have to subtract 411.615 quintals. Okay. Now do subtraction. Borrow 1 from 5. There 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. 7 minus 6, 1. Decimal. 5 minus 1, 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. This many quintals will remain. Now again remaining this 12.226 was donated, was give up. Okay. So again from this remaining quantity we have to subtract how much? 12 point. Now 12 where to write here? 0.226. Okay. Now see 7 minus 6 1. 3 minus 2 1. Can you subtract? No. So borrow 1 from 4. 11 minus 2 9. Put decimal. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 1 0. And 5 as it is. So how many quintals of rice is left in the granary now? Answer. Now 501.911 quintal of rice is left in the granary. Understood?